Cronometer Gold users can make food logging easier with voice logging on the mobile app. To get started, tap the plus button at the bottom of your screen, then tap Voice Log. When voice logging opens, the microphone will begin listening automatically after a brief pause so you can start dictating what you ate.
A bowl of Greek yogurt, and a handful of strawberries and blueberries.
If you prefer, you can also type your entry or use your phone's native microphone button on the keyboard as a backup. Once your foods have been entered, tap Match Foods. Cronometer will pull up lab-analyzed entries from our database for you to review. If you'd like to swap an item for a similar match, tap the Swap button on the right. Tap on an entry to adjust the serving size. Search for additional foods if anything was missed, or swipe left on an entry to delete it. You can also adjust the timestamp and choose a diary group before saving your log. Once everything looks good, tap Create to save it as a custom meal or recipe for future use, or tap Add to Diary to log it right away.